If you clean your electronic assemblies, have you ever stopped and looked at your drum of cleaning chemistry and asked yourself, man, what's in this stuff that makes it so special? Well, today, I'm going to be telling you all about the secret ingredients that we add to make sure that your boards come out squeaky clean. It's probably not a surprise if I tell you that cleaning electronic assemblies, especially those that are destined for high reliability or harsh environments, is critical. And not only that, there's a right and a wrong way to do it. For example, you probably wouldn't clean your dog with your toothbrush and some dish soap, nor would you brush your teeth with your dog's shampoo and scrub brush. So why should cleaning electronic assemblies be any different? Circuit boards pose their own set of unique cleaning challenges. And because of that, circuit board cleaners are specifically designed to address those issues. First and foremost, there are a variety of what we call soils, dirt, or contamination that are present on circuit boards that we need to clean off. Because of this wide range, we need to be able to dissolve very chemically different species. Some soils dissolve better in water, whereas other soils dissolve much better in organic solvents. For that reason, you'll see many cleaners that have two liquid phases that separate like oil and water. The water-rich phase is really good at cleaning polar residues, things like ion and contamination, whereas the solvent-rich phase is really good at cleaning the non-polar residues, things like oils or grease. So you'd think that just being able to dissolve all of our residues would be good enough, right? Well, unfortunately, it's not that simple. Many functional additives need to be included to make sure that the chemistry performs as intended in a wide variety of applications over a long period of time. So what do I mean by this? Well, consider the fact that some soils will cause the chemistry to foam. I mean, it is soap, right? So we have to add special defoamers to make sure that you don't accidentally turn your inline cleaner into a floor cleaner. Also, many of those soils that we're trying to move are acidic in nature and can change the pH of the cleaner. For that reason, we have to add pH buffers to make sure that the pH stays within an optimal cleaning range. If the pH changes too much, then you might have problems cleaning or even rinsing it off your board at the end. Speaking of rinsing, a lot of electronic assemblies include very small components with very small standoffs. And for that reason, we have to add surface tension modifiers so the chemistry can get under there to clean out every little nook and cranny. On top of that, we also add mixtures of methyl ethyl, which make controlling the bath concentration much easier. It's one thing to be able to clean your board on day 1, but we want to make sure that you can clean your boards on day 365 too. Now, I hope I've convinced you that your cleaning chemistry is more than just a simple dish soap. It's a highly engineered mixture of solvents and functional additives to make sure that you have a well-controlled, efficient cleaning process every single time. Alright, if you like that content, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. You can also click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, or you can send an email to AskDrAdam@KYZEN.com. Thanks again, and stay clean.